What are we saying?
Ladies and gentlemen.
Hello and good morning. Welcome to a video with Artisan Automotive. It is a fresh one today, but we're working on something special. We've got a car inside that not many people would have seen before, yet alone worked on. So let's go inside, have a look at the beauty, bring it out and show what we're working with. What do you think of this? A Mercedes, not just any Mercedes, 380 SL, old school. Have a look around. Tell me what you think of this. Let's see what this V8 Mercedes sounds like. First of all, I need to find where the key goes. Oh, the key goes here. Excuse me, I'm only young, you see. I don't know about these old cars. Bloody hell. It started. It's a miracle.
Beautiful car though, isn't it?
It is, mate. It is a beautiful car indeed. We're very fortunate to work on some of the finest pieces of metal in the country. The client has told us that he's more focused on the interior, or more concerned about the interior. Let's have a quick look at what the interior is looking like. So, it's not too bad. It just looks a little bit grubby. As you can see, there's a bit of dirt on the seats, or a bit of what I'd like to call contamination. We just need to get this off. I think the method I'm going to use today is steam. I tend to use steam a lot because it's one of the safest ways of getting rid of stains. It doesn't dampen the fabrics, the carpets or the leathers. Obviously you have to be careful about how close you get because of the temperature with an older car, but steam is probably going to be the route today. So we're going to do the carpets, we're going to do the roof liner, we're going to do the leather seats. We're going to treat this car like we treat all the rest of them, in artist style. So the plan for today is clean this bitch and get it inside, man, because it's cold, you see. So, starting to rain, but I've just put a little bit of protection on the vehicle because it had zero protection. I did also see that there was some imperfections in the paintwork. So I'm going to advise the client of the way to get rid of them if he wants to, and maybe getting some protection. But we'll tackle that bridge at a later date. For now, let's rinse it off, let's get it inside.
Let's have a look inside.
You're struggling. It's these old cars, you're not used to them.
Is it? Towards the...
Yeah, towards the grill, yeah.
Need to get some support.
Need the specialists in, man. This is why we're dealing with these guys. These are the specialists. Lamborghinis, Ferraris, old school cars, Porsche, you name it.
They know.
So, the carpet is actually formed behind the foot pedals. Now, it's not a major issue. It can be taken out. But because I'm aware that the vehicle's old, it would have formed its own way throughout the years. So if I take it out and then steam it, when I try and put it back, it may not form that way. So I'm just going to use a bit of initiative, and I can still get a great result with it in the vehicle. So that's exactly what I'm going to do. Time to start using the steamer. We need to use some temperatures to get out some of these stains, so I'm going to put the steamer on, give it a go and see how we get on. Why are you so close, blood?
Because I don't have the mic. So I'm trying to...
I don't know. There's a big knob there. Not you, that.
So, let me walk you through this beauty. As you can see, I'm working on the interior of the Mercedes. It's dirty. Have a look around here. Look at this. Look at this. Now, what you'll find with old vehicles, not just old vehicles, vehicles in general, if you don't stay on top of them, it becomes a really big job. So, this one was booked in for an advanced clean per se, but I think it's gonna be a full day on this particular vehicle. There's a few things that we won't be able to cover today, but again, it can be solved. We just need to get on top of it. Dirty. And the cleanliness of the vehicle. Now, this is what the leather used to look like, and this is what it currently looks like. And even on this point here, there's still a lot more that we can do, but we've got to try and get an even consistency across the car. And then if you pan around to the back seats themselves are really dirty. It's going to be a lot more work than originally thought out, but we'll get there. I think I'm going to need a few more magic erasers. This ain't going to be quick. One of the key features about booking in clients' vehicles is make sure we both understand what's expected and what's realistic. This particular car, not a problem, but as we can see, there's a few things that we can improve on majorly. So having a conversation with the client and understanding exactly what they want helps when you start to deliver your service. What we call ARTI fresh, you know. Look at the space I'm in. Look how tight the space is I'm in. Good job on my slim gym. I'm gonna have to stop somewhere, aren't I? I just want to wipe it. You know what I mean? I decided to use compressed air to try and get out the remainder of the dust behind the glass, because the glass is at such an angle that the vacuum won't reach. If I was to force the vacuum down, I'd potentially scratch the glass, and we don't want scratched glass, do we? Alright, I'm gonna call this a day here, man. I'm gonna clean the interior, as in the glass, see if I can vacuum out that stuff, and that's it, man. Not as what I would expect, but it's good. Hopefully the client's happy. That's the most important thing. Keep your clients happy. Thanks for watching the video. If you haven't done it already, smash the thumbs up if you like it. Share it to all your mates so it helps our algorithm grow. But for now, you know the motto, whatever you do, do it well.
Ladies and gentlemen.